Leveraging the unique robotic capabilities and facilities at the Construction Engineering Research Laboratory, part of the U.S. Army Engineer Research and Development Center, or ERDC, engineers are working on a basic research project aimed at lightening soldier loads and reducing the amount of personnel and machinery needed for downrange missions. The project, which carries the acronym Co3mandr, uses a series of cable-driven robots that work together to reduce the lifting burden on frontline military personnel, ultimately allowing robotic systems to conduct complex military and maintenance efforts under the control of a single operator.
So Co3mandr, it's really trying to do, as a high-level goal, it's trying to take heavy operating machinery out of the field. So if you're doing construction for bridges or buildings or any other large cumbersome object, usually you have to have a crane, an excavator, something with heavy lifting capability in the field. And while that is useful and it's standard operating procedure, it does bring a lot of challenges, whether it's extremely high personnel requirements, dangerous operations with lots of pinch points, getting the logistical burden of getting the machine out there, keeping it fueled, the time and effort it takes to get a trained operator. There's a lot of challenges with this standard procedure.
Immersed in ERDC's Robotics for Engineer Operations program, Co3mandr aims to deploy robotic systems that can reduce the logistical and personnel burden for heavy lifting or construction efforts within a combat environment.
The real big thing that a lot of people that have been interested in this project, when I tell them about it, is the force amplification, where the idea of that one person can do the job that 6 people can do. So you're taking your force of 5 people and you're doing the job of 30 people. Some of the cool capabilities of Co3mandr allows you to physically amplify forces. So now, not only physically amplifying forces, but we're amplifying the effectiveness of the force or the unit force.
Using a series of Co3mandr modules mounted on robotic platforms, soldiers could potentially handle heavier equipment more easily, endure repetitive lifting tasks longer, and even coordinate heavy equipment near front lines from a remote location. Co3mandr is being developed under ERDC's basic research program, allowing researchers to test theories, ask questions, and make both mistakes and discoveries.
It's in its very, very beginning stages. It's within its first year. It's in what we call 6-1 research, which is very basic applied research, where it's saying this isn't a product, this is just we're testing out an idea. So we're very much in that stage, and I'm looking forward and saying, okay, how else can I apply this technology?
The development of Co3mandr and similar basic research programs is made stronger through ERDC's culture of innovation and collaboration, in which researchers of different disciplines, training, and experience levels challenge and advance each other's research.
So we have a very wide breadth of knowledge of a bunch of different areas, and you can just walk up to anyone on the team and say, hey, I saw you doing this, can you explain to me why? Or I can walk up to someone and saying, I'm having this problem and I know you know how to solve it.